I'm making bacon wrapped little Smokies with brown sugar, and if you haven't already tried these, please do. So I'm using Little Smokies by Eckrich, and they're already fully cooked. And you just cut your bacon into sections, into 3 or 4 sections, depends on how much bacon you want to wrap your little Smokies in. Secure these with a toothpick. And then I have a pan that I've lined with parchment paper. You can line it with parchment or aluminum foil or nothing at all. It's totally fine. Be preheating your oven to 375 degrees and have 1 cup of brown sugar set aside. After you get all of these secured, go ahead and put the 1 cup of brown sugar all over these little Smokies. And that might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's not. So after you get all of these covered with the sugar, put those in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. Then take them out and turn them over and bake for another 15 minutes. If they're still not as crispy as you would like, the bacon's not as crispy, then just do what I did and transfer those to another dish and put them under the broiler for about 5 minutes, and that should do it. So here you have it. Delicious. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.